Unlock the future of effortless payments by activating your Bank of America digital wallet. First, open your Bank of America mobile app. Log in securely using your fingerprint, Face ID, or your existing password. Once logged in, locate and tap on the Profile and Settings or More menu option, typically found at the bottom right or top left of your screen. From the expanded menu, select Digital Wallets or Add to Wallet. Here, you'll see a list of your existing Bank of America debit and credit cards that are eligible for digital wallet use. Tap on the card you wish to add, and then choose your preferred digital wallet platform, whether it's Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. You might be prompted to verify your identity through a text message or email containing a one-time code. Once verified, your Bank of America card will be seamlessly added to your chosen digital wallet, ready for secure, contactless payments. Now you're all set to enjoy the convenience and security of tapping your phone at checkout, making purchases faster and easier than ever before.